In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Godaddy email to a Wix website. This process may seem a bit complex at first glance, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through each step, ensuring everything is crystal clear and manageable. First, let's start with why you might want to do this. Having a professional email address that matches your website domain is incredibly important for establishing trust with your audience. A consistent email and website domain can also boost your brand identity. Now, let's dive into how you can achieve this by linking your Godaddy email to your Wix website. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, head over to the Email Office section. This is where you'll find the necessary settings to access your email configuration details. Once there, you'll want to locate your email address and click on Manage to open up your email account details. Within these details, look for the Server Settings section. Here, you'll find the information required to set up your email on different platforms. Keep this information handy, as it's what we will use to connect your email to Wix. With your Godaddy email details ready, let's move over to your Wix account. Log into your Wix dashboard and navigate to the Domains section. This is where you'll manage anything related to your website's domain settings. Select the domain you want to connect your email to, and click on Manage. Scroll down until you reach the Custom Records section. Here, you'll input the information we just retrieved from your Godaddy account. Specifically, you'll need to add the MX record values provided by Godaddy. These records point your Wix domain's email to Godaddy's mail servers, effectively linking your custom email to your website. It's crucial here to input the MX records accurately. Any errors could result in your email not functioning properly, which could disrupt communication with your audience or customers. Once you've entered all the necessary information, be sure to save your changes. After saving, the domain settings might take some time to propagate across the web. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, so just be patient. In the meantime, check to ensure that your email is still functioning normally by sending a test message to yourself. If your message is received without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully linked your Godaddy email to your Wix website. Before we wrap up, remember that having consistent and matching branding across your email and website can significantly enhance your professional appearance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Godaddy or Wix's support for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your email setup.